Let me show you our nano coating technology. So the best way to demonstrate it to start with is just on a filter paper. So here is just a normal piece of paper, and as we put water into contact with it, that is not a normal piece of paper, as you've seen. That is a repellent piece of paper. So this has been applied with the P2I iridium coating technology, which is 1,000 times thinner than a human hair, and water just beads up and rolls straight off. If I took a normal paper tissue, not surprisingly, when you put water into contact with that, it will absorb into it. But what you're seeing here is there's no difference between the look or feel of these two pieces of paper, and that's because the coating is 1,000 times thinner than a human hair, typically 10 to 40 nanometers thickness. So even if I dunk that into the water there, right the way in there, and I am no magician, and I pull that paper out, it is now completely dry. So the technology is applied to electronic devices to provide protection from water ingress and corrosion damage. The reason you need to protect from corrosion damage is salt, fog spray, water can always get into a device because of the way they're designed and constructed. You can design them with seals and gaskets and O-rings to protect them, but those can easily be compromised if you were to drop a phone, for example, or it also makes them a lot heavier, bulkier, and so more undesirable. So if you go to the desirable phones like this one, then corrosion can always happen. So this is why we treat it with the iridium technology, which is protected by 57 company patents, and this penetrates deep into the device, covers the entire internal architecture as well as the outside of the device to prevent water ingress damage and corrosion.